In this video we will cover how we plug two flats in one tire with an emergency flat repair kit. These kits usually come with a T-handle reamer, insert tool, string plugs, and lubricant if needed. On small nail punctures like the one we just removed, it can be a challenge to get a plug into the hole. This is where the reamer comes in handy to make the hole larger before you can plug it, twisting as you push it. Then, before removing it, have the insert tool ready with a string plug. This avoids losing too much air coming out of the tire. Thread the plug into the eye of the needle of the insert tool with an even amount of plug on each side. The end of the tool is forked to hold a single plug in place. You also want to apply lubricant to the plug at the end of the tool to make it easier to slide into the puncture. Remove the reamer and insert the plug. You want the plug to be about halfway inside the tire when you remove the tool. Remove the tool by pulling straight up quickly. Don't twist it when you're removing it from the tire. Cut the excess plug sticking out of the tire with a blade if you wish, as close to flush with the tire as you can. We remove the small nail and plug the other hole the same way, and we'll be ready to add air to the tire as soon as we finish plugging it. If the puncture is not visible after you extracted the nail, you can use a spray bottle with 50-50 dish soap and water. You won't miss those bubbles. You should also spray some after you insert the plug to make sure there's no leak. If you don't have onboard air, you can hopefully get it from a friend or limp the vehicle to a service station. Remember to take it easy on the tire if the plug is in the sidewall or close to it. I put some information in the description regarding if a plug will be permanent or the tire should have a patch applied on the inside, or replace it altogether. Hopefully this video helped you along the way, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask on the comments, and check the description for links of all the parts and tools we used. Thank you for watching. You all have a great day.